Hi guys, Lens here, and in this video we are going to do a screen replacement. The screen is in the back here, and also we are going to do a hinge replacement as well. You can see that the hinge is broken here. So let me just turn the laptop on. That's what we are getting here. So I'm going to show you how to do a screen replacement and also a hinge replacement as well. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to take off the frame for the screen. Take off the bezel. And this is the hinge here. So there's a screw here. So guys, as you can see, we just scrapped the computer and the two hinges are in, you can see here. And the reason why I took off the back is because the back is damaged. We have a plastic that is broke off here, and also the screws compartment where the screws for the hinge are to go on the right side. As you can see, the holes are damaged. So guys, we just have to replace the back, because if we insert a new hinge and it is not bolted down on the back cover, the hinge can break easily. So therefore we are going to just replace this back. So we have a different back. So guys, I already put in the hinges and also replace the back cover. I'm going to install the mouse and keyboard and this panel. So guys, what we're going to do here now, we are going to install the screen and then we are going to put back on the bezel. Okay guys, this is the screen here. Make sure that the screen is in properly. Then what we are going to do, we are going to do a test. So guys, we are going to do a test before we actually put up this screws in the area that they're supposed to go. So I need to make sure that everything is working before I screw the screws up and everything. So let's see there, everything is legit and everything is working, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just power off the laptop and screw in the 4 screws at the top and also at the bottom. So I just need to shut down the laptop and bolt this screen up. So I'm going to do so now. Two screws. So what we are going to do here now, the screen is bolting perfectly, and as you can see guys, that so we need to put this on, but before doing so, we have this plastic on the screen. It says remove protective film before installing the bezel. This is the bezel. So guys, we need to remove this film. What I am going to do, I'm not going to remove the whole thing. I am going to leave the lip of it to pull it off at any time. The lip of it is right here. So when I install, I'm going to install it this way. You can see the lip in the corner here. And we are going to install the bezel. So guys, the bezel is perfectly installed and everything is good to go, and we can remove this at any time. Let's give it one more start up. Here's the battery. So guys, if this was a helpful tutorial for you, like, share, subscribe. I'm out.